What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel. Today I am back again for episode number 2 of TikTok Made Me Do It. I don't know about you guys, but every single time I see food on TikTok, I instantly want to make it. So for today's video, I am going to be attempting to make souffle pancakes. Fingers crossed this turns out good. I have never made these and never made anything like them before, so I am a little bit... I don't know how this is going to turn out at all. But if you guys are interested to see how this all turns out, keep on watching. As usual, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below. Alrighty, first things first, I'm going to show you guys what ingredients I have here for my recipe. So I have flour, baking powder, caster sugar, milk. I use soy milk. I'm not sure if that is okay because a lot of the recipes that I found say to use full cream milk, but I only have soy. So we got soy milk, vanilla extract, and 2 eggs that I'm going to have to separate like the yolk and the egg whites. I'm pretty sure these are all the ingredients that I need for this. I don't think I missed anything out, but I'm gonna go ahead and measure everything up, mix everything together, and basically just get started. Okay, first things first, I am gonna go ahead and take my 2 eggs and separate the yolk from the white. Let's hope I can do this because I haven't done this for a long time. Okay, not bad. Oh no, I got a shell in there. Let me just take that out. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, okay. Dump this over here. That is 1 egg done. Next egg. Okay, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. So taking this, dumping it over there. So next up, I am going to put this to the side, and we have here our egg yolks. All right, so the egg yolks, I have my little sift. I'm gonna put that on top, and I have my flour in this container. And apparently I need 3 tablespoons of flour, which doesn't seem like much at all. To be honest, when I read that, I was like, what am I making? Half a pancake? But yes, 3 tablespoons of flour is all we need for this. Okay, apparently I need a 1/4 teaspoon of this stuff right here, baking powder. I don't even know how much a 1/4 teaspoon is. I have 1 teaspoon, which is 5 mils, and then I have this little measuring thing which says 1 mil, so this is 1/5 of this. So let me just do like this and a little bit more. I think that should be okay. Yeah? No? Too late. I'm just gonna go ahead and sift that all through. And I think we're good. Okay, nice. I also need to add in 1 tablespoon of milk. Where is my milk? Here is my milk. I don't have full cream milk. I'm assuming that they want you to use full cream, but oops, I only have soy. So soy it is. And then, if I can get this open, we need this stuff. Vanilla extract, another 1/4 teaspoon. So again, I don't know how much this is, so we're just gonna put in 1 of these and then some. Yeah. Nice. So now that we've got all that together, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it. I don't know where my metal whisk is. I swear I had one, but I have no idea where it went. So I'm just gonna use this one today. I'm gonna go ahead and mix. I just don't understand how this is gonna be enough for more than 1 pancake. Is that right? Does that look good to you guys? Okay, so that's all mixed through. I'm pretty sure this is how it's meant to look, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side now. And now we have our beautiful egg whites from before. I'm going to go ahead and take my hand mixer, beater. What do you guys call this from where you're from? I'm pretty sure here in Australia we call them beaters, but I know in other places they call them hand mixers. But anyways, besides the point, I'm gonna go ahead and beat this until it's nice and fluffy and meringue-like. Okay, so it's not quite meringue-like because I forgot that I have to add my sugar, but that's okay because you can totally add it in like now. So for sugar, I'm going to be using caster sugar just because it's super fine. And we are going to take out 2 tablespoons, which when you look at sugar like this when you're baking and you see it like this, it's just like, wow, that is a lot. Anyways, so now that that's in there, I'm gonna go ahead and beat this till it turns all nice and fluffy. Okay, I think we are done. Whoa, crazy. As you can see, it now looks like a fluffy marshmallow cloud. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and take that mixture that I made. Remember this? We are going to put this into here. I know this is just like egg and flour and some vanilla extract, but it actually smells good. I gotta use a teaspoon to get all the extra stuff out of the whisk because I'm not trying to waste anything. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and, I think this is how you do it, like fold the 2 mixtures together till they become one. I hope this is right. I don't know if this is right, guys. I'm just looking at it like, really? I don't know why, but I feel like, okay, right now I feel like it's supposed to be a little more whipped, but yeah, fingers crossed this turns out right. So I think that's pretty much all mixed through at this point. I mean, I don't think there's much else I can do. I really have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I really have no idea. All right, guys, as you can see, we are now at my trusty stovetop. I have already preheated this pan. It's like on a medium heat right now. Feels like it's ready to go. So I would go ahead and put this into a piping bag to make them pretty and perfect, but we're just gonna freehand it today. I still don't know about this mixture. Like, I still don't know if it's okay. You know what? What if I just like put the whole thing in here and made like one giant pancake? Don't know if that would work, so I'm not gonna do it today. I don't really know if I need to be putting anything in this pan because it is very non-stick, but for the sake of anything going wrong, I'm just putting some butter on there. Okay, so this is the big moment. I have this spoon right here, this giant ladle-like spoon that I'm going to go ahead and use to put the batter into the pan. Is that good? Please. So there's one. Put another one over here. Oh, all right, there's 2. Apparently that is just the way it's meant to be. But you also have to put in like some water into the pan to let it kind of steam it at the same time. So I don't know if I'm doing this right, but we're gonna, okay, we're just gonna put the lid on and see what happens. Apparently you're supposed to put water into the pan while the pancakes are in there to like let it do its thing, I think. So we're just gonna let that sit, see what happens. Fingers crossed everything turns out good when I open this lid. I think these are meant to stay in there for like 3 to 4 minutes, by the way, so let's see. So I don't know how long it has been. I don't think it's been 3 to 4 minutes. I am scared that these are going to be burnt, so I just wanna check up on them. And I feel like my spatula is too big. Okay. No, I don't want it to burn. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, definitely turning the heat down for the next set. Apparently I have to cover them as well. I forgot that I have to add water to these as well, so let's do that. I think the whole point of the water is to just create steam so that it cooks the middle of the pancake as well. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what the water is for. I still have a little bit of mixture left, so I'm gonna turn my stovetop down for the next set that I'm going to cook, and we'll see if those turn out a little bit better than the first. Also, something that I've noticed is as I've let this sit here, it's kind of gotten a little bit more like runny and not as fluffy, and it doesn't hold itself as properly as it did before, so I feel like you got to kind of work with it quickly. But anyways, I'm gonna let this do its thing for like another minute and then we'll take it out and see what happened. Okay, so these, I'm gonna say these are done. I'm gonna call it. Okay, I mean, not bad for my first attempt. Ow, could be worse for my first attempt, but ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and try and cook the second batch. Alright, round 2. The batter is definitely not as fluffy as it was. I think the idea is that if you want them to be super fluffy and thick, you have to build them high. So I probably should have put all of this together to build it up higher, but that's totally fine. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my little splashes of water, and then we're gonna let this cook and steam. Baby, it's ugly.
What do you mean?
It's ugly.
Is it supposed to rise, or I don't know?
Okay, I'm gonna try and flip these over. Let's see how they've done this time. Is this gonna be a major fail? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Help. Oh man, this one turned out good if it wasn't like squished up against my spatula. Oh, this one too. I swear these ones would have been so much nicer if they didn't like get all squished up like that. But anyways, that's fine. Time for more water. I want to check up on these because I feel like I mean, come on, look at this. These compared to these. This one right here looks promising. Oh, never mind, maybe not. Oh, this one looks cute. Is the smallest one gonna be the winner for today? That one's cute. It's nice and smooth. That's all I wanted. I wanted it to look smooth, really. Yeah, this one didn't quite really make it. Are you guys ready to see my masterpiece? I mean... Hey, it could be worse. This wasn't too bad for my first time. I feel like I know where I went wrong, and it was definitely all trial and error. As you can see, I tried to dress it up and give it 1 or 2 extra points by adding the icing sugar and the maple syrup, but did that really help? I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. It definitely doesn't look like a Instagrammable souffle pancake, but it wasn't too bad for my first try. Like, it's got a little bit of height to it. Except for this one here, that one looks really bad. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Am I completely happy with how they turned out? No. My brother actually mentioned to me that maybe it could have been that I used soy milk, but I mean, it smells good. When I tried to make it look good with the icing sugar and maple syrup, but I don't think it helped. So all that's left to do now is to try it, I guess. Hopefully it tastes better than it looks. Cheers. It tastes nice. It tastes like it's like, tastes like French toast, if I'm being honest. It ain't pretty, but it's what's on the inside that counts, right? The texture of it is so strange as well. It's like super airy. I mean, I like it. I'll finish these right now. Tastes good, but it just didn't look like the catalog. Like, I don't understand. I did everything right. General consensus, would I make these again? Yes, because I want to try and perfect them and get them nice and fluffy the way that they're supposed to look. Right now I think I've got the taste down, but I mean they do taste really yummy though. I would recommend. If you guys have made these, let me know how yours turned out, because for my first attempt I don't think I did too bad. You're just gotta get used to working with the mixture, I guess. But anyways, let me know how you think I did down in the comments below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're still here at the end watching and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the little red button down below before you go so you don't miss any more videos that I post. As always, I hope you guys are having an awesome week. I hope you are staying safe, and as always, I will see you all in my next video.